Let us discuss about the OR gate. It has two or more inputs and one output, and the logical symbol is plus. It is the circuit symbol for the OR gate. If you have the two inputs, that output is the A plus B. And this is the truth table for the OR gate. When inputs are 0 0, that output is 0 plus 0, that equal to 0. And when it is 0 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 equal to 1. The operation of the OR gate can be described by using this equivalent switching circuit. When both inputs are 0 0, it means that two switches are in off state, that is when these two switches are kept open, that output is 0, that is when these two switches are off state, then there is no path to flow the current to the bulb, then bulb is off state. When inputs are 0 0, that output is 0, that is when these two switches are off state, then there is no path to flow the current to the bulb, that bulb is off state. When inputs are 0 and 1, that is A is 0, B is 1, that is switch A is kept at open and B is closed, B is on state, then the current flows from the VCC through the B and to the bulb, then output is logic 1, the bulb is on state. When inputs are 0 1, this is open state and it is the closed state, then there is a path to flow the current through the B to the bulb, then bulb is on state, then 0 when inputs are 0 1, that output is logic 1. Similarly, when inputs are logic 1 and logic 0, when A is 1 and B is 0, when A is 1, that switch A is closed and B is opened, then the current flows from the VCC through A to the bulb, then bulb is on state. For 1 0, that output is logic 1. When inputs are 1 and 1, that output is 1, that both switches are in closed position, that two switches are on state, then current flows to these two paths to the bulb, then bulb is on state, that is when inputs are 1 and 1, that output is 1. This is the operation of the two input OR gate. Similarly, for 3 inputs, if any one of the inputs is the 1, logic 1, that output is the 1. For maybe 3 input OR gate, 4 inputs or any number of inputs, that output is logic 1 when any one of the inputs is logic 1. You can draw this n input OR gate as by drawing these n lines at the input and 1 at the output, that is n inputs and 1 output. The enable input for OR gate is logic 0. It means if any one of the inputs is 0, that output depends on the other inputs, that is the enable input. If any input is 0, suppose it is the 0, that output depends on the other inputs, that is the enable input. Disable input is the logic 1, means if any one of the inputs is logic 1, for example this input is logic 1, irrespective of the other inputs, that output is logic 1, because output of the OR gate will be logic 1 if any one of the inputs is logic 1. So this is the logic 1 is the disable input for the OR gate. OR gates available in IC form as in TTL gate 7432, that is the name of this IC is quad 2 input OR gate. It consists of the 4 OR gates, 4 2 input OR gates.